Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Prepare your recovery email and phone number before editing Microsoft account settings. Gather passwords and backup codes in a secure place. Decide whether you need a local Windows account versus a Microsoft account sign-in. Check which apps use your Microsoft credentials, like OneDrive, Outlook, and Xbox. Sign out of devices where you cannot change the account easily. Confirm billing details and subscriptions tied to the account to avoid service interruptions. Back up any local files and browser passwords before you start the change process. Open Settings, then Accounts to add a new Microsoft account or switch users. Choose Email and Accounts, then add an account and enter the Microsoft email address. Follow the on-screen verification steps, including code to your recovery phone or email. Use Account, Microsoft. To add an alias or manage sign-in preferences and two-step verification. To switch on Windows, sign out, then sign in with the desired Microsoft email and password. Confirm OneDrive sync and app access after signing in to restore your data. Remove an account from Windows settings if you no longer want it linked to the device. Open Settings, Accounts, then access work or school and select Disconnect for linked accounts. Use Account, Microsoft. /security to change passwords and set up recovery methods immediately if you lose access. If needed, close or delete a Microsoft account by following the 60-day recovery window on the account closure page. Enable OneDrive and EdgeSync to transfer bookmarks, files, and settings between Microsoft accounts seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.